tummy, my angyo. Tata, I wanted to show your body also in the video. Kiss man nga rod. Kiss. Angyo, Tata. My Tata kissing me. He missed me. I'll just come home from the Ili, from San Juan. And this Angyo, showing your tummy. Tang. Hi. Show me yung tummy more. Move nga rod. Dance lying down. Anay nga rod tisakam. Anay nga rod tisakam na titangyo. Anay nga rod. Alas siya. Dance nga rod. Anay ko. Oh my God. Too much pain. Hi. Show me your tummy. Aching. Aching. Other legs nga rod. Other legs. Anay ko. Oh my God. Other legs. Apa ngay kaya? Huy. Tayang ka dyan. Ang ka masalak hindi. Sunda. Ang kanid. Other thing is going to vomit mo nun. It's coughing. Hi. Kiss me man nga ron. Apa ngay kaya? I'm not showing. Why you not showing you kissing me? Itching again. This morning I clean your ear again. So many wax. Now next time I will show to the people. I will show to our viewers how I cleaning your ear and how's your reaction when I'm cleaning. You're pushing your head to me while I'm cleaning because it's itching. Because it's itching. That's why. Again. Shushunda. Showing your tummy. Showing your tummy. Showing your tummy. Showing your tummy. Shushunda. Showing your tummy. Shunda, so cute your tummy. I like you doing like this. Shunda, dance. Apa ingay kaya? I love you doing like this. So nice tummy in here. So nice. Shunda, cute. Cute, my doggy. Oh, you miss me. You miss me, my tongue. You miss me. Ay, it's itching. Oh, it's itching. Ay. Alang nga ron. Apa nga, itching all the time. Narod. Itching. Enough na. Tomorrow again, clean. Shinda. Clean. Clean. This morning I clean. Shinda. Sige nga ron. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching my Angyo and Tata. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please subscribe, like, and share, and also comments. Bye-bye. Ingat.